Hello everyone. I hope you all guys enjoyed my last video, which was based on the real life example. However, today I'm going to make another example which is widely using in the industry, and it is ball bearing. So let's start how to make it. As usual, first select the file, go to the new option and click on the part. So today we will make 3 or 4 parts and then we will go to the assembly. So for the ball bearing, first we have to make outer plane. So click on the front plane, go to the sketch. Now first select the center line and draw a horizontal center line. Then OK. Now make one center rectangle above the center line and define it like opposite to the center line. The dimension is 65. Lower edge to center line dimension is 53. Define the upper edge, which is 31. Now make the relation like center point of center rectangle to the center point. Make it vertical. Now it's time to create one center arc here. So go to the 3-point arc and select the center point arc and make one arc here and define it like the radius of the arc is 12 mm. The distance of the center of the circle to the bottom of the rectangle is 8 mm. So now it's time to trim unnecessary entities like this line, this, all the construction line. OK and exit. Now go to the feature and select the revolved boss base. So it will automatically take essential lines, and when we will click on the OK, so our outer ring is ready. So then go to the file, save, and make a new folder and give it name Bobby Maker, and then OK, and then so the part name is outer ring. So in the following process, go to the file, select the new option, part, and OK. Now we are going to make inner ring. So as usual, select the front plane, sketch, click on the center line and make the center rectangle. Define the upper edge of the rectangle is 31. 31. The distance of the lower edge to the construction line is 25. Upper edge to the construction line is 37. Okay, for the inner ring we have to make arc in the upper edge. It is opposite of the outer ring. So select the center point arc, make one arc here. Let's define some dimensions, like the value of the arc is 12 mm. The distance of center point to the upper edge is 8. And trim the unnecessary lines like this. Okay, Control Z, extrude. So go to the feature, revolve both ways, and axis, select this axis, so it will take automatically, and then OK. So this is our inner ring, and go to the fillet, select this portion and this, and give in the design tree, give the dimension 2.10 mm, and then OK. So our inner ring is also completed, so it's time to save it. Save item in our inner ring. Okay. So in the next process, it's time to make a ball. So select the part and go to the front plane, sketch. Here make midline, make it horizontal, and then go to the arc section and 3-point arc. Select the both and make one arc. Let's define the arc. We have to delete this line. Define the arc, which is 24 mm. So it's time to go to the feature, revolve both base, select the revolution axis, so our ball is completed. Save it. Give name BWL Bob. In the next part, we are going to make a supportive ring. So go to the front plane, sketch, and then create two circles and give the dimension is, outer circle is 94 mm, where inner circle is 86 mm. Draw, drag it a little bit, and now it's time to extrude. Select the sketch, go to the extrude both ways, and here give the dimension 16 mm, and then OK. Now our ring is completed, but we have to make a hole for the balls. So select this face, go to the sketch, Control 8. Now make one center line here, which is vertical, and then draw another circle which dimension is 90 mm. Now go to the arc option and select the center point arc, select the center and make arc here and define the dimension of the ball, which is 12. So now it's time to cut this half circular face in the reference of this vertical axis. So go to the feature, keyboard cut and select the center line. Okay, center line is automatically selected. So in the select contour, select all this area, but make it, we don't have to select this tail feature. Clear the region, select this option and make it okay. So see, our cut is ready. So now it's time to provide a fillet on this both edge. So go to the fillet, make it 2.10 and select the both side. Select the both face. Okay, clear the section. Select this one and select this one and then okay. See, now in the following time we have to move for a circular pattern. So go to the circular, select this, three faces, go to the circular pattern. Here we have to open a center line. Click on this center line and make it 8 because we want 8 number of cut here and then okay. Okay, our cut is ready. Now we want only 1.5 mm thickness of ring. So go to the cell option, select on this surface, this one and inner one and make the dimension 1.50 and then okay. Don't click on this surface. So see, our ring is also completed. Now it's time to make a hole here. So select this plane, go to the sketch and draw a circle here because we have to fix this with the help of screw. Now draw two construction lines. One is here, the vertical, and second is here. Make a degree between the center line is 22.50 and give the dimension of the circle which is 2 mm. Okay, now it's time to cut. So select this sketch, go to the feature, extrude cut and then okay. So see, our cut is ready. Now we want this circular cut in this surfaces. So select the cut, go to the linear pattern and go to the circular pattern and select this axis. So see, preview is flashing on your screen and make it OK. So our last support is also ready. So go to the file, save it, make support. Now our last part is remaining, which is screw. So go to the new part and select OK. And then select the front plane, go to the circle and draw two circles. Let's define some dimension. Outer circle is 3.5 mm, where inner circle is 2 mm. Now it's time to extrude. So go to the feature, extrude both ways, and select on the inner circle and make it 3 mm. OK. Select the sketch again, go to the extrude both ways, and now select all in the select contour, select all circle, make it reverse and give the dimension 1.5 mm, then OK. So this is our board, and now save it. Thank you for watching my video, guys. I hope you all friends like it, and we will assemble all the parts in my next video, so please don't forget to watch that video, and we will make a ball bearing in the next part.